In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically accept all changes in Grammarly, 5 minutes. Let's get you set up and moving fast. Start by opening Grammarly in your browser. If you're not already signed in, choose the option that says you already have an account, enter the email associated with your Grammarly profile, and click Continue. Complete any prompts to finish signing in. Once you're at the Grammarly homepage, you're ready for the document you want to clean up. Next, open your document in Google Docs. Make sure the Grammarly browser extension is installed and you're logged into the same account. In your doc, look for the Grammarly G icon, usually along the right side. Click it to open the Grammarly sidebar so all suggestions are visible. Here's the key part. Click into the first suggestion and press Accept. Grammarly will apply the change immediately, then move to the next suggestion in the sidebar and accept again. Work your way down the list until there are no suggestions left. While Grammarly doesn't provide a single accept all button, moving through the sidebar and accepting changes one after another is the fastest way to effectively approve everything in bulk. A couple of tips to speed this up: keep the sidebar open so you don't have to hunt for underlines in the document. Use the built-in next or previous controls in the sidebar to jump between suggestions quickly. If you don't see the icon or suggestions, refresh the page, confirm the extension is enabled for your browser, and verify you're signed in. It's also smart to give each suggestion a split-second glance before you accept. Most corrections are spot on, especially spelling, punctuation, and common grammar fixes. But style or tone suggestions can be subjective. If something changes your intended meaning, skip it by dismissing instead of accepting. If you want fewer interruptions, you can adjust suggestion types in Grammarly settings so you focus only on critical fixes. When you've reached the end of the list and the sidebar shows no remaining issues, you've effectively accepted all changes in that document. Do a quick scan of your doc to confirm everything reads smoothly, then you're done. That's it. Open Grammarly and sign in. Open your Google Doc, click the Grammarly icon, and accept each suggestion until the list is clear. It's a simple, efficient workflow that gets you to a clean, polished document fast. Happy editing!